You, the self. Rule number 1. How we see God is a direct reflection of how we see ourselves. If God brings to mind mostly fear and blame, it means there's too much fear and blame welled inside of us. If we see God as full of love and compassion, so are we. After reading the book 40 Rules of Love by Elif Shafak, I've had the desire to paint the 40 rules of love as how I understand them. And so today I begin the journey and unfold that what I don't know will come, and somehow hope that it'll inspire others also to give love a chance. Give yourself a chance to understand what it truly means to love, and to visually be inspired to lose yourself in the patterns as you create them. As the rule number 1 says, how we see God is a direct reflection of how we see ourselves. That what we see, all that we see, is God. And the more we start seeing love and compassion in people, try to judge them less, open our minds to allowing ourselves to forgive them and understand them for where they are coming from, the more we realize that there is only beauty in all of us, and we all can forgive. We all can move on from where we are, because that is what God does with us. He allows us to come back to Him again and again and again. Being able to see good in people, being able to forgive people, being able to understand their point of view is not always easy, but it is an art very much needed to survive. It is something that frees us from not just the people, but also ourselves and our own expectations, and makes us move towards that what is all powerful, all beautiful, all that there is. For all that is God, and all that you are is His creation. So the more within you go, the more you start finding Him. In everything that you do, He appears. The more you go towards Him, the more He comes to you, through you, with you, and within you.